Pag-uusapan natin ang tamang paraan ng pambabasted sa manliligaw o mga nagpapalipad hangin at tips on how to say no sa isang tao o sa bagay. Kasama po natin ulit ang one and only natin na sa Stock Shop na si Ms. Sheila Viesca, ang CEO and President ng Stock Shop, of course. Good morning! Welcome back!
Good morning, everyone!
Ating suki-suki, diba?
Based on your experience, paano kayo nambabasted?
Ako, Diyos ko. Ako,
Nakadiyos ko.
ibang interview, mas mahaba.
Paano ba ang tamang pambabasted?
Ang pag-usapan natin, kailangan yung respeto nandun. Diba? But then, you accord different people, different methods of respect because they read it differently. Pag ang kadil mo, yung type A personality, paano mo babasted din yan? Kailangan, hindi mo sasabihan ng no agad. Kasi to them, no is a challenge.
So
They
the
will
more that they
pursue
will
you
pursue,
all the more.
Yeah.
Kailangan i-channel mo yung attention to something that will make them exert effort.
Magreto ka ng iba.
Magreto ka ng iba.
Oh.
Yes.
Another woman's trash is another woman's treasure.
Pwede. And as much as possible, dapat hindi pinapaasa, di ba?
Well, the good thing about it is that very strong personalities have very short attention span. So, bibigyan mo lang sila ng mga intangible reasons that involve waiting. Mag-aaral muna kasi ko, kailangan mga
Ayaw
2
pa ng
years,
parents
3,
ko,
ayaw pa
strict.
Strict ang parents.
Yes. Pero kailangan yung reason mo beyond reproach. Yan.
Hindi pwedeng ma-question.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng makikita ka sa Facebook
Yes.
nakikipag-date ka sa iba.
Pwede sabihin may boyfriend na ako.
Hindi pwede.
Na challenge sila.
That gives them the challenge to pursue you all the more. Pero meron din naman mga sociable types. Yung mga type B, yung mga charming. How do you turn them down? To the type B, kailangan yung social acceptance, di ba? They are usually driven by the attention of others. Pag nag-no ka dyan, wag mo munang i-friend zone agad. Kailangan
Bigyan mo ng distance.
distance, and then it has to be someone from your social circle who will tell the person, hindi yata kayo bagay. Di ba? Mas malakas ang dating sa kanya yan. Because the approval of friends is very important.
Meron ng ibang
To that type of
perspective eh.
Ma'am, ito may
Yes.
tanong ako. Kasi yun, pagsa-say no, no? Paano naman yung pagsa-say yes? Yung nililigaw-ligawan ka pa ulit-ulit. Pero pagdating na dun sa pagtatanong sa'yo kung magiging tayo na, ayaw niyang tanungin. Pag ikaw nag-expect ka na, kunwari, si Rina nag-expect na bakit dapat kami na ulit? Dapat kami na ulit. Pero pinapasok mo na ulit siya sa buhay mo, tapos biglang nung pinapasok mo na, ayaw naman ngayon mag-commit.
Kasi
Diba?
ayaw niya sabihin yung
It's
word
the-
na I love you,
Oo.
parang gano'n, may magandang tao.
Paano naman yung ganon?
Palipad hangin sobra pero
Oo.
walang I love you.
Gusto ka ba talaga?
Parang crush ka ba ng crush ko? Bakit hindi ako crush na crush mo?
Ayan. Okay, pag alam mo na gusto ka ng tao, malamang type C yan. Because type Cs will not usually move forward and tell you that they like you. Mararamdaman mo na lang.
Yes.
So it's more of action than the
Yes.
words.
Sila naman, pag ayaw mo, cut it at the onset. Kasi pag pinaasa mo yung type C,
Hindi maganda.
mahirap. Because they tend to be clingy. Yan.
Hindi sila makaka-move on.
Di makaka-move on and they will take the bitterness for life.
Tandaan.
Pwede nilang ibalik na rin yun na hindi naman kita nililigawan, especially pagka walang I love you involved, di ba?
Type B yan.
Type B yun. Yung sabihin, hindi naman kita niligawan eh. Pinakitaan lang kita ng kabutihan, feeling mo naman, di ba? Parang ikaw pa yung napapahiya.
Ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo, haba ng hair mo.
Kasi those who thrive when it comes to social acceptance, they would usually make you feel bad pag tapos na.
Yes.
Diba? Or make you look bad. Pero yung mga type C, secret affair, wala yan. Hindi,
Secret affair.
oo, okay lang kung hindi malaman ng iba. Actually,
other
wag mo nang
woman.
ipaalam. Basta kayo-kayo lang.
Ma'am, yung sinasabi niyo bang ganyan, is it true for women and men?
Both.
Kasi minsan ngayon, babae na yung nanliligo sa lalaki, di ba?
Yun na yung nare-reject.
Sabi nga ni,
Hindi ko naramdaman yun.
it's true na applicable to both men and women. Kaya lang sabi nga ni Doc kanina, mas maraming mga ex, no? Na male, oo. Balik tayo dun sa tanong mo kanina. Bakit yung crush mo hindi ka crush?
Oo nga.
Oo. We are usually drawn to personalities who are opposite to us. Diba? Kaya nga attracted ka eh. But it does not necessarily work. Bakit? Kasi iba yung compliment mo. Kaya naisip ko ngayon, ay buti hindi kami nagkatuluyan nung crush ko. Or buti hindi ako crush nung crush ko. So, who are you attracted to? If you are a type A, o ano yung gusto ng type A? Attention. Di ba? The sense of ownership. Ang attraction yan, people who are very sociable, who will go out of their way to make them feel good. Ang mga type B naman, yung mga socially charming individuals, will usually be drawn to similarly charming individuals. And then, yung mga high energy assertive types, like type A, type B. Ang type C naman are strongly attracted to sociable individuals who will complement their hindi introversion, pero usually they're longing for parang someone to pull them out of their space. Ang type D naman, type D meron din. Yung mga type D, combination ng type B and type C ang dapat na treatment dyan. Bakit? Huwag mo silang paasahin, if it is a no-no, and then wait a few days, tapos i-introduce mo na yung mga kaibigan. They have to be consoled by friends.
Paano naman
Yan.
po yung kasi for example sa mga guys, and then may mga usually girls sa mga nambabasted sa guys. Yung kabaligtaran naman yun nga yung parang sinabi ni Ate Lina, asang-asa si girl, akala niya nililigawan siya. So paano naman on the guy's part na sabihin niya doon sa girl na, uy, teka na misunderstood mo yata ako, na
I'm
hindi
just
masasaktan
friendly.
yung girl.
Mahirap kasing basahin yung babae. Mas maraming dynamics involved. Oh, so, an intelligent man would usually make the girl feel nag-iisip ba si ano? Nag-iisip. Yung eventually time na lang will tell kasi ang compliment talaga kung malakas yung personality ng babae, she's a type A. Ang compliment niya is a type C. So, she may be pursuing a type B na sociable, di ba? Always with friends. Pero in the end, she will look for someone who will give her balance and strategies in planning.
I'd like to ask you, ma'am, which of the type are we to consider more aware of? Kasi may iba kasi, like sinasabi mo, type C and type D, parang dependent sila, no? Diba? They cannot detach themselves easily. So are these types more prone to emotional suicidal tendency? Or yung talagang ayaw na ng isang side, tapos habol ng habol to the extent na naging parang stalker type, di ba?
Actually, tama yan, Doc, eh. Kasi ang type
I just wanna
C
ask
and
which
type
type.
D, they are reclusive.
Oo.
They can be damaging to themselves if the intervention is not done. For instance, sa type C, pag tinurn down mo, kailangan sabihin mo, I'm still here. You're still my friend.
See, that's the
friend for
question
life.
also.
Yan.
How can you still make them your friends after na mabasted mo
Rejection.
sila, after the rejection? Is it possible pa rin?
Possible naman kung gugustuhin. It's
In the next lifetime.
Paano mo? Oo nga eh, kasi it's a decision that you have to make eh. Kung ilalagay mo sila sa friend zone. Sabi nga ni Jack kanina, sa scene zone.
Kasi depende kung may spark pa. Pag may spark yan, delikado pa, di ba? Aasa-taasa pa yan.
Correct.
Di ba? dapat ganunin na, patayin na.
Ang kagandahan kasi dun sa mga extroverted types is that they will always find their outlets eventually. Yung mga reclusive types, they harbor on their negative emotions na baka sa iyo pa maisisi, no? So, kung if-friend zone mo sila, yes, tama si Doc, ingatan yung sa type C. Because the type C just wants loyalty. So, kailangan i-assure mo that, okay, I'm here. We're no longer boyfriend-girlfriend. But you know, you can always reach out to me if you need someone to talk to. Yung type D naman, they have the tendency to be manic-depressive. Kaya yan, as you assure them, the way you would a type C, kailangan ipasok mo na yung mga kaibigan nyo para makonsole sila.
Ma'am, may mga kaibigan ka ba para kay Ri?
Wala na. Part 2 rin, part 2.
Bottom line
Bottom
po,
line.
dapat respectful ka pag nagre-reject ka.
Accord them the same
Ayan.
respect that you want them to give you.
Si Ma'am Sheila, expert na sa pambabasted.
Mahabang storya daw yan. Pag-uusapan natin yan next week.
Next week.
Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyo, Miss Sheila Viesca. Siya po ang CEO and President ng Talk Shop.